In the bustling courts of 10th century Baghdad, a small, savory pastry called sambūsa was born. Over 1,000 years later, this humble triangle has become a global icon. We're here to trace that journey with Punjabi master chef Chef Reddy and South Asian food historian Dr. Priya Sharma. We'll explore its Persian roots, its Silk Road travels, and the definitive Punjabi recipe that many of us know and love today.
Wow, the secret, Annaji, is always in the dough. For the perfect Punjabi samosa, the pastry must be khasta, flaky. You need exactly 250 grams of maida. Then the most important part is the moyan. We rub in 60 grams of ghee until it is like breadcrumbs. Add a big pinch of ajwain seeds, always. Then slowly add 90 milliliters of cold water to make a stiff, tight dough. Bahut acha. This is the foundation for everything.
Chef Reddy is absolutely right about the dough's importance, but the journey that brought it to India is fascinating. Originally, the sambūsa was a meat-filled pastry carried by traders and soldiers along the Silk Road. Its first documented appearance in India is in the 1300s, in the writings of the Delhi Sultanate poet Amir Khusrau. He describes nobles enjoying a triangular meat-stuffed pastry. The potato we now consider essential hadn't even arrived from the Americas yet.
Yes, Dr. Sharma, the potato changed everything. For our filling, we are using 500 grams of boiled and crumbled potatoes and 150 grams of green peas. But the real magic is the masala. We use coriander powder, cumin, garam masala, a pinch of asafoetida for that unique flavor, and very important, amchur, dried mango powder for the sour cake. We stir it all together. The smell, wow, it is the smell of every street corner in Punjab.
And that Punjabi recipe is now the archetype, but the samosa adapted brilliantly across the subcontinent. In Hyderabad, you find the lukmi, a flatter, square, minced meat version. In Bengal, the shingara is smaller, with a more intricate cauliflower or even fish filling. The Gujarati batti samosa uses a thin, crisp pastry. And its journey continued to East Africa, where the sambūsa is still a beloved, often lentil-filled staple. It's a testament to its incredible adaptability.
Shaping is an art. You roll the dough, cut a circle in half and form a cone. Fill it, but not too much. Then seal it tight with a little water. Now the frying, this is the final secret. It is a two-stage process. First, a slow fry for 15 minutes at a low 130 degrees Celsius, that is 265 Fahrenheit. This cooks the inside. Then take it out, raise the heat to 180 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit and fry for 90 seconds. This makes it golden and crispy.
That final crispiness Chef Reddy describes is what makes the samosa the heart of a cherished cultural ritual, chai and samosa. It's an institution, that moment of pause in the afternoon. It's rarely eaten alone, it's a communal snack. And it's almost always served with at least two chutneys, typically a spicy green coriander mint chutney and a sweet and sour tamarind chutney. The combination of the hot, savory pastry and the cool, contrasting chutneys is simply sublime.
Dr. Sharma is speaking the truth. A samosa without chutney is like a song with no music. The hot chai cuts through the richness. The chutneys give the zing. It is the perfect harmony of textures and flavors. The crispy pastry, the soft potato, the sweet, the sour, the spicy. It is not just food. It is a feeling. It is comfort. It is celebration. It is home. For me, this small triangle.
From a 10th century Persian court to a two-stage frying technique for that perfect crunch, to the simple joy of sharing one with chai, we've learned that the samosa is a 1,000-year-old story of travel and adaptation. Its history is as rich as its filling. A huge thank you to Chef Reddy for walking us through the perfect recipe, and to Dr. Priya Sharma for unveiling its incredible journey.